when you're looking at this problem, you think in terms of the same thing. You have two groups of factors here separated by a minus. And so let's see if we can remove any common factors. Well, the one on the left has fewer distinct factors, so that's the one I'm going to work with. So I'm going to look number-wise. A 2, and on the right side, I'm going to simplify this. 1/3 of 3, those cancel, leaving just a 1. Okay, so there's no common numerical factors. So let's move to the next base. 3x minus 1. Okay, that is common between both of these groups, so I'm going to take out the smallest power, which is the negative. That's the last factor here in this first group, so I don't even need to test anything else. But I do know that the remaining factors will have the same form as the original, something minus something else. So let's see what lies in those remaining pieces. So if I subtract out or divide out this power, I'm going to subtract a negative 2/3 from my first group, which is equivalent to adding the opposite. So I have a 2 left here. I also have a 3x minus 1 to the first in my first group. In my second group, I'm going to subtract out a negative 2/3, change the sign, add the opposite. That removes this entire factor. So all I'm left with in this second group is a 2x plus 1. Okay. All of this is over our 3x minus 1 to the 2/3. Okay, so now as I work through this, my factor that has a negative power, I'm going to move down below. It becomes a 3x minus 1, change it to a positive 2/3. I'm just moving that. And then simplify my numerator. So in my numerator here, I have 6x minus 2, distribute my negative, minus 2x minus 2. So this is going to give me, minus 1. When you distribute it through, negative 2x minus a 1. So when I combine these, I get a 4x and a minus 3. So there's my new numerator. And then in my denominator, these are a common base. So when you multiply exponents with the same base, you add their powers. 2/3 plus 2/3 is 4/3. Okay. Since I didn't cancel any factors from the denominator, you're good as far as that's concerned. And so this would be your simplified form.